¿Qué onda, Spanish students? Welcome to our Pura Buena Onda YouTube channel. My name is Paola, and today I'll be talking about the possessive pronouns in Spanish. A possessive pronoun is one of these words used to replace the nouns that name the owner of an object or the object itself. As you can see on the chart, it depends on who you're talking about and also the gender and the number of the thing or the person to see which one you're going to use. Por ejemplo, tu cámara es mejor que la mía. Your camera is better than mine. Or, este carro es el tuyo. Is this car yours? Or, esas herramientas son suyas. Estas herramientas son nuestras. Those tools are theirs, and these tools are ours. Gracias! Remember to follow us on our other social media on Instagram and Facebook so you don't miss any of our content. Nos vemos pronto. Adiós!